How do we do this? How do we do this? So you can block it out. So when you finish a case, the simplest thing is we want to be as efficient as possible. So what I'll do is I'll take black colored polyvinyl impression material. I'll squeeze it into the embrasure spaces so that I can fill it up and block it out. And then I take a football diamond burr and just trim back the excess. In this case, I used a micro etcher, so I micro etch the lingual enamel here to improve my retention. And every now and then you can use the patient's own blockout. So here's a similar case where, and I can't stress this enough, is that when you're treatment planning to do these teeth, if you were to clean this patient up, they would complain that their teeth are loose after you clean their teeth and they weren't loose before you clean their teeth. So now what I do is I learn two things. One is that I loosen their teeth and I'll splint them before I get a chance to clean them. And the second is you clean their teeth after you do the splint because otherwise you end up with a bloody mess. And it's just not worth dealing with the blood and the liquids that come out of those pockets. So what I'll do is I will prep those teeth with a burr, clean up the enamel that I can, either acid etch or just micro etch and then acid etch, and then I'll put my composite on top of it. Here, I'm using a micro etcher. That's what the lingual looks like when the material is in place and it's thin, it's stable, and the patient doesn't object to the fact that she's got this extra material on the lingual. That pretty much sums up the program that I wanted to show you. Are you comfortable with what you've been shown tonight in your practice? I hope you are. I hope the answer is yes.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.